Hey guys, welcome to Bro Smart Tech, and in this video I'm going to show you how to export videos on Premiere Pro to YouTube or any other social media sites. So first what you have to do is select your timeline just like this and then go to File. Under here you will get Export and then Media. So obviously you have to edit a video first and then you have to open the export settings. So over here you will get the export settings. So first here is the format. So by default it won't be H.264. I think it will be AAC audio. First what you have to do is click on format and then select H.264. This one is for YouTube, and if you're thinking of uploading videos on Instagram or WhatsApp stories, you can use this setting H.264. After that there is preset. Now this is very simple. If you want to upload a video on Facebook, then you have to select Facebook like 4K, or if you want to upload on Twitter, you have to select Twitter 1080p Full HD, and at the bottom you will get YouTube. So you will get like 4 to 5 resolutions like 480p wide, 720p, 1080p and 4K. So if your original video is in 1080p like your timeline, then just select 1080p, or you can also export videos at 4K. Now this preset is optimized for YouTube. Now what I do is much more than that. I personally use another setting to export videos on YouTube. For example, I will just keep it at 1080p because the original video is at 1080p. Come here to basic video settings, and first I will scroll down over here to render at maximum depth. So if I check this box, the video will be rendered at maximum depth. So each and every frame will be rendered at maximum depth. After that, here is the encoding settings. Now this may differ from PC to PC. So if you have a low end PC, it will only show software encoding, but I have a 2060, so the hardware encoding is automatically selected over here. Scroll down to the bitrate settings. Over here by default it is VBR pass 1. I will just go and select VBR pass 2. So what does VBR 2 pass means? Now technically 2 pass can give you a smaller file size with better quality at lower bit rates. At high bit rates 2 pass or single pass can have the same quality. 2 pass always worked for me. If you want to save time or if your video is taking a long time to render, then set it as VBR pass 1 and keep the bitrate around 48, and that will work too. But I am exporting my YouTube videos for around 2 years with this setting and it works fine, and I hope it will work for you too. Now under that you will get target bitrate and maximum bitrate. So the target bitrate will be like 18. So the minimum will be 18 Mbps and the maximum bitrate will be 42. Now it may depend, you can change it as you like you can keep the target bitrate at 16 and the maximum at 40 or even 50, I don't know, but it will definitely increase the video size if you mess with this setting. Under that you will get these settings. You have to do nothing over here. I will just repeat once more. So just check render at maximum depth. Under that leave it at it is. And one more thing, you can see it is now software encoding because we have increased the bitrate and my system cannot take it, so it will be automatically changed to software. So just keep this as it is. And after that, under the bitrate setting, this is the most important one. VBR 2 pass, target bitrate 18 Mbps and maximum bitrate 42 Mbps. So this is the setting. The last one, you will have use maximum render quality. Obviously we are going to check it like this, and the time interpolation will be optical flow. So here are the settings. So now if you want to save this, you just have to go here and name it YouTube 1080p or something like that. You don't have to check these boxes, just name the preset and hit OK. If I change the preset to like a YouTube 1080p, you can see the size over here, and on the top you will get YouTube 1080p Full HD that I have just created right now, and the file size is still around 900 MB. So the video size only increased for about 200 MB because of the bitrate, but it's okay and it's done. So you have to hit export, and yeah, it is exporting. Comment down below what is your PC specs. I will definitely like to know that. So I hope this video helped you, and if you have any questions, just comment below. I will try to answer all of your questions. Drop us up for more videos just like this one, and also like this video and share this video if this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching guys. This is Bro Smart, and I will see you guys in my next video.